So when qualifying for a home, a lot of the times I've clients ask me, what's the best thing I can do to make sure my credit's in line? What are your best 5 choices or quick hits to make sure that my credit can be the best position possible? First and foremost, talk to a professional. Have a conversation. Let's review the credit together, see what's on there so we can form a baseline of where we need to go to qualify you. 1 of 2 options will come from that. It's something easy or minimal that we can fix within weeks or a couple months, or maybe it's something larger that you need to employ a company that can help work with the creditors to kind of clean up the credit and get things removed. So first and foremost is reviewing the credit, seeing what's on there, what's available. Number 2 quick hitter I would say is when you're looking to make a big purchase, don't open or close any accounts until you talk to someone about what the best options are. Opening new debt can impact your credit as well as closing out debts because you lose the history of accounts that might be positively impacting your credit. So closing those and impacts your credit utilization could prohibit you from qualifying in a lot of instances. The next thing is the collection accounts and maybe past due accounts. We want to make sure we clean those up. So we want to review what's on there, what's actually actively reporting, what's been cleaned up so we can determine which ones need to be accounted for. And then another quick, easy fix is auto payments. Way too many times do we see where clients miss a payment. And one payment isn't going to fully derail it, but if you have one payment here and there on 5 or 6 different trade lines, that ultimately starts being a snowball effect where it does impact your credit. So an easy way to fix that is set up at least minimum auto payments so your payment gets made automatically. You can always go in and pay extra, but make sure that the payments are on an auto set payment. The last thing I would always recommend too is when we're reviewing this and we're looking at determination, do you have established credit? If you don't, that's not necessarily an issue, but there's ways to do that. Maybe you do a secure line of credit or a secure credit card. Maybe you open up a fast approval credit card and use that sparingly, keeping that balance to limits low. That's the last point, credit utilization. A lot of people say, hey, great, my credit, I don't know why it went down. Somebody looked at my credit, my score dropped. Usually it's not a credit inquiry that impacts your score as much as it is a credit utilization. For example, if you have a $10,000 limit on a credit card and you owe $8,000, you're at an 80% utilization for that card. That does not have a good look. The good news is that when you pay that back down, ideally we want to be below 60, but if we can keep these below 30% usage, so $10,000 limit, keep it under $6,000, ideally keep it under $3,000. That's a huge impact to what your credit score looks like. And so the nice thing about that is that's the easiest fix. Sometimes we can make that payment and within the next cycle of that reporting, it's like it never impacted your credit, instantaneously goes up. So there's a lot of quick factors that go into credit, a lot of things that go into qualifying. My suggestion, again, reach out. We can review the credit together. Make sure, number 1, if you are in a spot to qualify. Number 2, if you're not, to put you in the best position possible and hopefully help you buy your dream home.